Hi there, I'm Wendy, and I wanted to show you how this month you can turn a $40 investment into $661. So it's not far reached, and I'm going to show you how. First of all, when you join this month at b4108.myubam.com/join, which the link is in the links, it's in the link below, you get your box of books. There are 7 books and catalogs, a pack of catalogs and mini catalogs and order forms in there. I only counted the value of the books in this calculation, so that's $71 worth of books that you get after you join with the kit for only $40. All right, and then the next couple of icons you see, this mentions a kit reward, free more books, and earning $500. So let me show you how that works. When you join, you can have a launch where you invite your friends and family to explore the books with you. The more sort of startup parties you have, the more you're going to earn. That's just the way it is. We make 25% commission. These are the ways that we do party. This is fun. In the home, we have coloring parties, shopping appointments. Those are one-on-one. Can party for a cause, any cause that's near and dear to you or your host. Catalog party and Facebook parties. This is a new one too. It's a book chat. It's done solely through Messenger, which I adore as an introvert. So say you have earned your commission now of $500. That is here. That means that you have hit our benchmark, which is $2,000, to earn your kit refund. So you get that $40 check in the mail. You'll also get $500 commission. And of course, this $50 of other free books. You're like, what on earth is that? That's a lot more than I thought. Well, because when you hit just $1,000 in sales, you will get a box of books and business supplies worth $50 on top of what you're earning and what you got. And by the way, when you have your own launch, you act as basically the hostess and the consultant, which means you not only earn the commission from that party, but you also earn the free books. And I like free books too. So let me know if this is something you're interested in. You can also check it out at b4108.myubam.com. We'd love to have you join our team. You gain a tribe, a whole lot of books, a whole lot of cash, and a whole lot of fun. I hope this helped.